How to fix ghost touches on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your device and remove your phone case and screen protector. Sometimes your screen protector and phone case may cause some issue, and check if it works. If it does not work, what you can do is simply go to settings, scroll down and go to utilities. Here you'll find pocket mode. Simply turn this on. It will prevent accidental screen touches or fingerprints operation when the phone is in your pocket. And you can go back, go to display. You also find accidental touch in here. If it's available in your device, it's not available in my device. It may be pocket mode or accidental touch in here. Simply turn it on, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix ghost touches on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.